1. Keep long-term goals in mind when facing challenges. In tough moments, remind yourselves of your shared long-term goals. It helps keep perspective and encourages teamwork through adversity. 2. Regularly check in on the health of your relationship. Take time to reflect on your relationship. Are you both happy? Are there areas to improve? Regular check-ins prevent small issues from becoming big ones. 3. Plan regular date nights. Keep the romance alive by planning regular date nights. Whether it's a fancy dinner or a cozy night in, make intentional time to reconnect. 4. Don't assume your partner knows how you feel, express it. Don't assume your partner can read your mind. Express your feelings openly, whether it's love, frustration, or gratitude. 5. Give each other the benefit of the doubt. When conflicts arise, assume your partner's intentions are good. Giving them the benefit of the doubt fosters trust and reduces unnecessary tension.